Company. Through the categories with best stash, best short beard, which is 1 to 3 inches, mid-length beard, that's 3 to 6 inches, and the back daddy long beard, 6+ inches in your beard. Overall winner, that's the Iron Beard Contest winner. That concludes the long beard category, and we'll have the winners in a mere matter of moments. All right, the winner of the backpack and a $50 gift certificate for Inside Black Cat Barber Company is Seth Norris. See, gave you some ginger love.
We call a goat wearing clothes a kid.
All right, your best stash winner, number 27, Jared Johnson. All right, your best short beard winner, contestant number 14, Aaron Jensen. And remember, all these winners have bragging rights for the next year, and hopefully the short beard goes to the mid-length goes to the long beard, you know. All right, the best mild beard is contestant number 7, Austin Rudd. We got to thank Gilly Fab for cutting those out. Those are pretty trophies. Moving on to the best long beard. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Number 20, Jake Christensen. Nice job, Jake. All right, now your overall grand champion at the Iron Beard competition here at Black Cat Barber Company is number 10, Scott Johnson. Remember, these guys are the winner for the next year. Remember, this is for a great cause. Proceeds from the days goes to Do It for Drakes.
Thank you, everybody, for coming out. Great turnout, a lot more than I anticipated, honestly. Nonetheless, thank you all. Again, I'm gonna make this a yearly thing. You guys that got them this year, hold on to your bragging rights, because next year it's gonna be even better. So thank you all again. Appreciate it.
All right, that concludes the first annual Iron Beard competition. Remember, get the tacos, grab the coffee,